So this is gonna be a little bit of the disaster of a room tour because my roommate is moving out, but we can do this. Nice. I'm gonna focus on my side. This is the first thing you see when you close the door behind you and you turn around. This is a hook that I got from Marshall's. This is where we hang our towels, obviously. This other long strippy thingy came with what is it called, shower caddies, and I got that from Target. These are not the caddies, but these are the ones we put on it. This hook right here, my roommate puts her jacket on. Over here we have like cleaning supplies for the floor. We have a broom, a dustpan, and a Swifter. And when you turn this corner, that's the light. And over here we have two, what is this called, trash cans. One recycling, one for regular disposal. When you turn slightly around the corner here, we just have a random Sheg box, and is this Sheg or Chug? And bags, and we have bottles that we have to recycle. And back here we have cleaning supplies, mostly for the floor again. We have bleach, we have other like stuff. We have paper towels back there, Febreze, all that good stuff. This is my roommate's side. She's moving out, so it's a bit of a mess. Okay, we're gonna focus on my side. When you come over here, the window, right here, we have this faux plant. It's fake, that I got from Target. It was like $10. Picture of my brother. We have this light thingy that I got during, like, I don't know, but it was an event on campus, and we got that, and it has a light inside. We have this spray from Target, and it smells so good. Over here we have this sign that I got from Target, and up here we have a diffuser thingy, and we ran out, but I left it there for aesthetic purposes because it's so cute. In the overview, we have this LED light, as you can see, and it changes colors. It actually goes around the window, but somebody broke it. So obviously next semester we have to get another one because I love this. On both sides of our room we have these LED lights. These ones don't change color, but it's so cute. And what I did was like wrap them around like that, like a curtain kind of, over the bed. And it's so nice to just tuck in to this little cute space. I forgot to show you, but this is like where I put my laundry, my dirty clothes, and it fits perfectly into this space. I got this from Target for like $3, and it's broken, so I have to replace this. This rug that I'm on right now is from Amazon. It is so soft. I got this from Amazon for like $44. I will link everything down below. Back to my bed. This grid decoration, is it? No, whatever. This grid thingy I got from Target, and I just have photos of my friends and family hanging up there. Over here, I have this crooked, very crooked collage. I have this very crooked collage, and yeah, this is motivational quotes and pictures of like my family and friends. Over here, my bed, I can tell you where I got all these stuff from. This plush blanket is from Burlington. This is also from Burlington. These two throw pillows are from Target. This came with a set that had my what is it called, my bed topper, and like my mattress topper, and also like a plastic sheet I got that from Costco. This is a comfort pillow I got from Burlington, and these sheets are from Burlington as well. Under my bed, I have this drawer that obviously came with the room. I have my shirts on top here, and I have like pants and like other summer stuff. Let's see. I like Marie Kondo'd this to the best of my abilities because this drawer is always messy. Under here I have water, bins. Oh my god, y'all. Half of the stuff in here I don't use because I decided to bring my whole life to college. Don't do that. I have another bin. I have some food, water, more snacks to be easily accessible for me. And I also have like my luggage back there. Okay. Put this back together. This is, I guess, the most pretty spot in my side of the room, which is my desk area. This is my lamp that I got from Marshall's. I don't know how much this was, but I got this from Marshall's. I have some necklaces hanging from there. I also have like my perfumes because it's pretty. I also have that light that was on the windowsill here, and I have this crystal that my boyfriend gifted me. And over here I have my mirror for like makeup and stuff, and I got this from Marshall's. It lights up, it's so cute. And I have some rings sitting there. This elephant my roommate gave to me when she painted that was from Target. This the Future is Female sign is from Burlington, which is also where this jewelry box is from. This holder, what is it called? Pencil holder is from Target. This is where I put like my medicine. This is from Target. My friend gave this to me, but I've seen it at Target, and I just have like makeup stuff on there. Over here we have this book holder. I got this from Target. A tissue box. Over here, this pad is from Amazon. This is a regular desk pad in the color blush pink. I have my laptop sitting there. Up here I have my calendar that I got from Target, and I just put it up with command hooks. Ooh, wait. Yeah, I put it up with command hooks. This is my actual desk. This chair, I put a blanket over it just to make it like, because look at how ugly this chair is, y'all. I don't want that. So I put a blanket over it. Over here is the drawer. It has like mostly utility stuff that I don't use like that. I swear to God. Anyway, over here, this is the first drawer, which is a mess. Put panty liners there, my watch, more medicine stuff. Y'all, listen, you cannot have enough vitamins in your system. Eyebrow stuff. I have my lipstick and lip glosses, lashes that I don't know how to wear. Oh, second drawer, more beauty care stuff, as you can see. Oh my god, I packed so much shit. The last one, more stuff. This is so bad. What is this? Right here, I just have my ring light hanging out. This is my closet. Ooh. Okay, I have 3 command hooks. This one has a bag. These ones have, what are these? Sweaters, hoodies. A hat, a bell. These are my workout bands. My jacket is over there. This is like a big overview of this. When I open this door, let's see what we see. Oh my god, I'm struggling. Oh! Okay. On this side, this is where I put my shoes. Yeah, I got this from a dollar store close to my apartment in New York City, and I just put it up there with command hooks, and I clipped the bottom because it was too long. Up here I have 2 storage bins that I got from Target. These are the mini ones. They just have random stuff in it. I got this bin from home and I put my everyday beauty stuff that I use like when I get out the shower. Baby wipes, a bag. This is my closet. Yeah, I try to color coordinate this. It's kind of a mess, but I tried my best, man. Like, listen. Down there I have a bigger one of those bins. And yeah, this is it. It's bigger. It has food in there. Shoe boxes, more extra hangers hanging out back there. Food. Over here, this drawer's a mess, but I have towels, big shirts, like shorts. Yeah, that is it for my closet, guys. It's a very dirty mirror. Oh, I look like a hot mess. It's a very dirty mirror that's here. Okay, when we close that, we have where we put our food. This is our fridge. Up here where we put all like, I guess, food and like, what is it called? Spices. We have this big bin and it has stuff in there. This other container right here, this white one, has our plates. It is a hot mess right now. Yeah. No, it's just a fridge, basic. We have the freezer and the actual fridge. And that is it for the most part. Am I missing anything? For the most part, that is it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and comment.